Once you have successfully logged into the application, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. On the main dashboard screen, you will see 3 tabs: Attendance, Dpr, Reports. Attendance. On the dashboard screen, to mark attendance you will see 3 buttons in different colors. If you want to mark your attendance, click on the Present button colored in green. Clicking on the Present button, a pop-up screen will appear with your location on the map. Click on the Submit button to mark the present. Once you are marked, present your current location and the time stamp will be saved. After marking the present, the green button will be changed to Punch Out. Once your duty hours are completed, you can click on the Punch Out button to complete your attendance for the day. On leave, you can mark leave by clicking the red button similarly. On duty, this button shall be pressed if you are out of the project location for official purposes. Dpr Tab. Dpr is the detailed physical progress of the site. To add Dpr, click on Dpr Tab. A screen will appear to add Dpr, labor and store reports. Add Dpr. In Dpr, all categories are mentioned in a predefined order. If you want to fill Dpr for highway, choose the category of highway from the list, and if for structure, choose structure category respectively. Suppose you have chosen highway category, earthworks. Here you would be able to add Dpr for all bulk items related to earthworks such as excavation, earthworks in the embankment, embankment from borough area, subgrade, etc. Enter the from and to change along with the side LHS, RHS, both, and then enter the quantity of work executed for that day. You can also add the RFI numbers, subcontractors from the drop-down for better tracking. You can then choose to add more or choose to submit the data. If structure category is chosen to add Dpr, you will be presented with a predefined list of structures on your project. After selecting the structure, select the structural element executed on that day. You can choose raft, walls, deck slab in case of a box structure, or pile cap, pier shift, pier cap, girder, etc. in case of a girder type structure. You then just have to enter the quantity and you are good to go. Store. In the Store module we will add the data of major stock items you wish to track. To add store details, choose the store item and add inwards and outwards quantity for the day. You can then add more or submit. Add labor report. Similarly, for adding a labor report, choose the subcontractor and add skilled, unskilled, and semi-skilled labor employed by the subcontractor or departmentally on a particular
Reports tab. Reports are the tracking of the financial progress of the site. We have catered to the key elements that a top manager needs to judge the overall health of the project. When we click on the Reports tab from Dashboard, on the Reports screen there is a drop-down where you can choose the project for which we want to view the report. Below the project drop-down, we have a cumulative card in which we can see the cumulative amount of work done for yesterday, this month, cumulative till date, and total percentage of financial completion. First report. The first graph is of major quantities. This graph represents the total quantity executed for a particular item. We can't track all major items like earthworks, subgrade, GSB, WMM, DBM, BC, concrete, pile, etc. in 3 different ways: yesterday, this month, and cumulative. The next graph is of amount versus time. This represents the financial work done, date-wise and month-wise. Store report. Next we have a store report. This report shows the data of previous day material outward, inward, balance and total status. This is all that a top manager needs. Still, if he wants to go deeper into the project, he can click View Detailed Reports and view item-wise reports. View Detailed Report. Clicking on the View Detailed Report button will redirect to the Dpr Reports page. On this, we can see the reports separately for highway, structure, and subcontractor. Highway. In Highway Detailed Reports, We can see the total quantity executed date-wise and month-wise for an item and the amount of work done on that particular item date-wise and month-wise. We can choose any item from the top. At the bottom, we have the summary of that particular item. This summary shows the total budgeted quantity and amount of that item in the buck and the total executed quantity and amount, which we have added from Dpr. Similar reports are available for structure also. Finally, we can track the labor employed and work executed by a subcontractor in the subcontractor section.